all take turns, ask some questions, see if we can get some good responses. You okay? Water or anything?
I have my water back there.
Okay. Now, voice what you hear. What you might hear might be different what she hears. You know?
Yeah, I was about to maybe have my camera facing that.
Spirits, can you tell us hello? We have a new set of friends with us.
Oh, we got the wrong light on.
What was that?
I don't know, that was like a witchy type
That was
voice.
definitely
I
weird.
heard check something. I heard check the fish.
Okay. What do you want us to check?
On fire. I heard that in the background.
What did you say?
I don't know. I wasn't hearing it. That sounded like children.
Yeah, sound like children playing.
It was. Stay where you are.
Another thing that you'll notice is you'll almost hear like they're having a conversation with themselves. Excuse me. How many people do you see with us right now?
Did that just say November?
That's what
I heard 11.
I think that's Veterans Day, isn't it?
Wait, how many people are together in the building?
In the building? 16. November 11th. is
No,
my
14.
birthday.
Really, Angel? We fight them?
That's what I heard.
I
Yeah.
heard
No,
we fight
we
them.
fight them? That sounded creepy voice.
Really? And, yeah, that's crazy. That was awesome.
That is crazy.
We fight them.
It's
That
in
was
November.
clear as day. Almost had like that.
Completely different than what we had down here with the last room.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it is.
Who are you fighting?
Good question.
Everyone.
I thought it said the murderer. But,
I remember we did hear the choking earlier too.
I heard N-word. It said N-word.
you'll hear.
Woo!
What?
That was deep.
It said drink up.
Drink up in that very deep voice.
Mm-hmm.
What are we drinking?
People.
Can you say one of our names?
Right behind you.
I heard right behind. Which one are you right behind?
Ooh, don't say that.
It's running into.
It's really
Running into?
Oh, yeah, I thought it said running into.
Tap on the chair of the person you're standing next to.
Don't say that. I'm really scared.
I just heard something over here to my left.
I heard that too. It sounded like a drip.
It does.
They have a camera.
They have a
Oh,
camera.
jeez.
Are you sure you want to hang out down here still?
Sure do.
So you're behind Jim with the camera?
Yes.
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 Wow.
If you're behind Jim, can you tap him on the shoulder?
Music.
So weird.
Is Jim your friend? The guy with the camera?
Jim.
I give you permission. You are allowed to touch my shoulder.
Get out.
And then I heard choking again.
Choking?
It's weird. You felt pressure upstairs. Remember what you said?
I don't even think
I
about
didn't
that.
even think of it unless you just now said that. Oh my god, Ashley.
What?
Are you the one that's making?
What's that? They were giggling and they were giggling whenever I showed
spirit, are you the one that's making Ashley sick?
I've never heard.
I've never
Have
heard
you
that.
ever heard
That
that?
sounds like fireworks or like a gunshot.
Yeah, I definitely like firework type, like bottle rocket type.
Yes.
flying stuff. Oh, are we hearing
Injured?
something about like a performance? I heard I believe.
Yeah.
What do you believe? Ooh.
I'm coming to you.
Jordan?
I'm okay.
Are you talking about the fire that was here?
They died.
I heard a weird ticking noise over there.
thought
I
it
heard.
said it
You don't hear the coffee maker.
I thought it said it died.
That's almost what I got.
Yeah.
Died.
I'm sorry. He said he was correcting me. Like,
Yeah.
you know, I said who died?
Tonight shirt or
Tonight show?
oh, tonight's show?
Is he going to die at tonight's show? What's his name?
I don't like that deep one.
I don't either.
What you think?
Who's gonna die?
Yeah.
Who's them?
My
Preacher?
turn.
Is it your turn or preacher? It could be
I don't know.
either or. How are they gonna die?
You're asking?
I heard you're asking.
I heard through that. Ice cream?
Alright, it's his face?
I thought it said wait and see.
Yeah, okay.
It said a lot of different stuff. It sounded like.
Get us some tea.
Get us some
He has a key.
Or he has a key.
Get us cooked. That I heard. Get us cookie.
A key? A key to where?
Coffee maker.
What will the key open up for us?
Basement one.
I thought it said within our realm.
Within our realm?
Back
That's what
room.
I heard.
I just feel really uneasy.
Yeah.
Did you guys ever find out if there's any portals in this place?
I don't know. We'll come back to that. We'll come back to that.
We'll touch on that here in a minute.
I was just wondering.
Yeah, we'll ask us after this session.
Ask us after this, yeah.
Are you guys still standing behind me?
What realm are you in?
It's a meeting. It sounded like it said it's a meeting.
It's a meeting?
A meeting.
Do you think we're having a meeting because we're sitting in a circle?
I heard something like a woman struggling here.
Yeah, that's what I heard too.
A woman struggling or a baby like trying to cry.
I don't know, it could be a child.
Was somebody hurt down here?
I said that already.
Pleasant to look at.
To look at or to do.
What are their names?
Nicole.
Is that what you heard, Nicole? Did you say Nicole?
I think Nicole's a child.
My middle name is Nicole.
Wow.
I'm not trying to freak you out, but I heard hi, Nicole.
I can't.
Tell me to stop.
Stop.
I need out. I need out. I need out. I need out.
You wanna go outside? You can go outside. It's okay. Try to breathe.
I got you. Let's go.
It's okay. Take a deep breath.
Touch some.
No, you're not allowed to touch them.
No,
Let them
you do
leave.
not have permission to touch anybody in here unless they tell you that you can.
You're allowed to touch me if you want.
You can touch Jim, but nobody else is giving you permission to touch them.
Yeah, you can touch me.
I'm gonna ask the same question again. Can you tell us the 2 female names that were hurt down here?
It's motion activated. It's after 15 seconds of no motion.
Did that just say my first name? My real name's Holly, and I think it said Holly.
Oh yeah?
Did you just say Holly?
You said I did?
Yeah, I did.
What do you want from Holly?
I just got really cold.
Yeah?
Yeah, on my
legs are
right
very
side.
cold.
Alright.
My right side. I'm freezing on my right side.
If you're here with us, why don't you touch this device in the middle? Or touch any of these cat balls.
Somebody said get out again.
That's me.
The heck was that?
How many people do you see walking back in the building? How many people you see?
Well, there were 7 people in the room that said 7.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, it's just me.
Just overwhelmed?
Yeah.
I hear you.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It can be, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think they're trying to hurt you. I think they're really trying to let you know how they felt, or
You could remind them of something. You could be.
A very, very, very distant relative.
You could
Yeah.
be, or you could remind them of maybe like a performer that was here at one time, maybe a friend of them, you know, like different things like that. These are the parts of the investigations, like when you have these feelings, like from my perspective, from my point of view, like when you go through this mode, it's like almost like in my freakazoid brain now, I'm just like, okay, like if you're making me feel like this, why? I want to know why now. You know, like we would
She
go.
is cold to the
I heard
touch.
Cindy.
Sydney or Cindy?
Is that what
That's
you
me
heard?
scratching
I
my
thought it
legs.
said
My
Cindy
legs.
and then I thought it said pusher.
okay. Feel that again.
What happened to Cindy?
Just a hole.
And I do it me. I don't get food. It's just on this side.
Can you make any one of these devices?
I love you?
I heard that too.
I know.
2 days ago?
What'd that say?
I
No
just felt a
shame
brush
when.
of cold air.
It's
What
happening
happened
again.
here?
What
I
happened
heard get out
here?
of here. I heard get out of here.
What happened here? How many people do you see in this room?
I heard I don't care.
The lights what?
Lights on again.
I heard let's test it.
Blood?
Delighted?
Did you hear blood though?
Did you just?
Is that somebody laughing?
That's what it said. Mm-hmm.
Something's really affecting her.
Okay. Do you? Like agony? Or what did you
I
say?
heard Agatha.
Agatha, that's what I thought I heard too.
Does she remind you of a performer? A singer?
A dancer.
Yeah.
Was she a friend of yours? Was she a victim?
Woman.
Hush woman.
Yeah, that's what I thought I heard.
Are you the male spirit from upstairs?
He doesn't want her to speak.
Catch her? Was she trying to run away from you and you caught her?
Side. I don't feel good.
Feel it?
I'm feeling very uneasy.
Yeah, I can't.
Are you?
Yes.
Are you affecting the ladies here?
For some reason, I'm completely fine.
And
Yeah.
that's weird.
Me
'cause
too.
Upstairs.
I'm completely fine. I'm honestly, upstairs it was terrible though.
But sometimes it happens like that. It's in different faces. Or different faces. I don't even know why I said that. Different energy. You know? You might be completely fine right now. Might be completely terrible right now. You go, next thing you know, you'll be okay. You might be completely okay right now, but then you hit a 10-minute sprint.
I thought that was easy.
That's what I heard too.
That was easy.
That was easy.
It's either that was easier or help me.
Oh,
Church
wow.
bells.
Church bells are a phone ringing. Door opening.
Are you still here with us?
I'm
Right
Oh,
here.
human.
I thought I heard right here.
I heard human.
I'm getting really bad chills. You're not welcome.
Look. Look at what?
Where am I looking?
I need out.
Sure.
I can't. It's just really bad.
Where can we look to find you?
I looked over there and it just.
In the what?
I heard doesn't mean it.
Is that what you heard?
Wait, he doesn't mean it?
He doesn't mean what? To affect her?
I just heard something.
What do you
I
hear?
think that was
I don't know. I heard something
Where?
back that later in that room over there.
That's funny.
That's funny because we were getting stuff in that room earlier.
I like to pretend for him.
Pterodactyl?
Did you hear what happened?
That's I heard something happened.
Oh, that's that what you heard?
Yeah.
Before clear as day, what did we get? We got Sonic.
Sonic.
The hell was that?
Random
So
Sonic.
that was me up the back on the chair.
Earlier we heard somebody say they couldn't breathe, and then we actually heard choking, like a woman choking through here.
Wait,
wow.
this when we were upstairs.
Yeah.
Me and I forget her name. What is her name?
Ashley?
Ashley. We couldn't breathe upstairs.
Yeah, there's a lot of coughing going on upstairs.
That's wild. And then
I did cough a couple of times because I've got my allergies
through
straightening up.
the box,
so bad
it
right now.
sounded like being choked, and it sounded like an argument, like an attack, like we were hearing a woman being strangled.
Yeah, I wonder if you're hearing like what the residual.
That's what we were, trying to.
When you were talking, I thought I said something about dominant. Is there a more dominant spirit here?
I just got brushed like very cold.
Yeah, it's
like,
really
in front
cold
of
right
me.
here.
I just
mean-
got my.
I am feeling like a cold. Oh, the door might be open.
The door, yeah.
Yeah, but how's come the breeze is coming this way? It just like went. Shh.
It's gone now since she came over here.
Feel my arm, and I'm never cold.
My legs are like really cold, like especially this one.
I'm never cold.
They're coming back in. What color is the jacket of the girl that you keep affecting?
Sound like one. I think it's
Hot pink.
purple. I thought it went purple.
Heard a
What
loud
color is the
thud.
jacket?
We were hearing that when we were down here earlier.
Did this just like dancing?
That's what I thought it said. I was trying.
Did they used to have dances down here?
I wonder if they meant that dancing was the thud we just heard upstairs.
Your mom did say that.
They had dances down here.
It's just a
Supposed to be
dream.
joining.
That's what I heard that clear as day. We're supposed to be joining.
You
You're supposed to be joining the
Are you
dance?
dancing?
Yep.
Okay.
Shannon?
That's what I heard. I heard Shannon.
Martha. Get in line.
I just started like really freaking dizzy.
Are you calling out characters in your role?
That deep voice out of all of them.
I want to talk to the spirit, that male spirit. What's your name? And where are you from?
I think I just saw something move out of the corner of my eye.
I'm staring back that way. I've been staring back.
Me
that way for a
too.
while.
Can you walk across back there? Walk through the green lights?
I swear it just said green lights.
Huh?
I swear that thing just said green lights.
Yeah.
I'm really cold.
Giggling.
Can you move something back there?
I feel like something's right behind me.
We could be smarter. No?
What about me?
What about you? What do you want?
I definitely heard something change.
I definitely, yeah, I heard definitely something changing. Are you changing?
What did you hear?
She breaks me.
I heard she, so that's what you heard. She breaks me. Were you jealous? Did you want a woman that you couldn't have? My eyes keep playing tricks on me over there with the grid light now. Every time I look
That
at
could be
it, I
right.
can't catch.
Yeah.
Feeling really cold.
No activity in here, huh?
Not at all.
I just walked through the green lights. Can you walk through the green lights?
It got awkwardly quiet, and I was just like waiting for something, and then that voice made me jump. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Here I go.
With it.
I literally heard that.
Follow me.
Before he did that,
Mhm.
I swear to God, I said, don't do it, you'll slip.
Oh.
Right here.
I feel like there's something behind me.
Dude, we've gotten that feeling.
Like it's just, I just keep feeling stuff on my back.
I'm kind of feeling like something, I don't know, weird, but I feel something.
If you're standing behind me, you have permission. You are allowed to touch me. Give me a little gentle push.
They're gonna come downstairs in about 2 minutes. Are you okay? Ashley, how you feeling?
Good.
Feel good? Feel better?
Joey.
Can you tell us goodbye? Because we're about to take a little break.
I can afford her gym.
Is there anything that you want to tell us before we leave?
Who's out there?
I heard bye, Deborah.
Little Debbie and her mom, Big Deborah.
No, full-size Deborah.
That's it, full-size
That's what I
Deborah.
just said. But you by any chance say my nickname? Did it just say it?
I have no idea, I just turned off.
I don't know. We'll have to listen back to that. I thought it said pumpkin.
Stop it. Be quiet.
It's so quiet or something.
Are you done with this? You done?
Naked reward.
I thought it said naked something.
I heard negative.
Alright, you want to cut that off, babe?
Please don't.
Okay, so what was it that I told you to remember to tell us, to ask us? What did you ask?
I don't remember now.
The realm? Realm?
Portal.
Portals. Yeah, let's go to portals because I feel like there's some here or one anyway.
Lindsay, sweetheart.
Okay, so I don't like to announce this because it's not pleasant and we don't know exactly what it is, but I did an investigation here one time. We were doing SB7 upstairs. It kept saying Lindsay basement, Lindsay basement, Lindsay basement. So we came down and I decided to do Estes down here because I felt like whatever wanted to talk to me wanted to talk to me. So we came down here, we did Estes. The only thing that I heard on the SB7 was music room. which at first didn't make any sense to me, and then it dawned on me. The orchestra pit would have been underneath the stage.
Was that when we kept hearing go to the dark
Yes.
dark room?
It said dark room and it said music room, and so I was like, orchestra. The orchestra was under the stage. We went under the stage, and there is a pentagram on the wall.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Right,
Pentagram
'cause
on
maybe
the
that's
wall.
why I'm picking up something about a portal.
I asked the historical society about it. They tell me that they had no idea it was there. They've since come over and they've looked at it. They don't know where it came from. Reports have been told that there was a community center here and they had a haunted house, and they're claiming that's where they think that it came from and that it was just a prop. I don't know.
Well, I don't know why, but earlier I just got this feeling about a portal, so I don't know.
So that's, that
So
was-
we don't like to tell people
Yeah.
about it if they specifically ask or they pick up on
Sorry,
it.
but I
We'll be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie. I will tell you that it is there, but I don't bring it up because I don't want people to feed off of
Yeah,
it.
because then you hear it. Then we hear y'all said something about the growling. Well, the last group we kept getting hissing, and
I got a hissing upstairs.
you know, so it's one of those things. It's like there's no answers. There's no yes. There's no no's.
Right.
And so I mean, this is how we're finding out right now. The investigation.
No, sorry I brought it up, but that's I got
No,
that
no,
feeling
please bring it up.
earlier.
That's why we're here.
Something about
I'm
a
gonna go lights
We,
open.
we don't know who did it.
Lights open.
Right.
Nobody has any
You really don't know the
I thought-
story, or
Yeah.
oh, I gotcha. I was just telling you that's how I felt. I don't know why, but
Especially because
I get those feelings once in a while.
And I know she's
Yeah,
messing with
it's,
it, so I feel
And I'm telling you, she knows me.
whenever I went out and started coughing.
No, it's not as much this arm. Feel this arm.
It was in my car.
Whoa.
Okay. Now feel this one.
Put it really down my heart.
I kept feeling a breeze over there. Like just something, and I never asked her. I never did. I was actually
You know what I had the desire to think we should do before we all split off? I think we should do like a short Estes session down here with everybody
Yeah.
before we split off.
She goes, as soon as I can
Okay.
Just an idea.
No, it's
Like 15 minutes maybe?
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
I know Vanessa sinks in with that real well.
Yeah.
If she's willing to.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. That's awesome. Could maybe just see if they want to. Yeah, because I'm sure that they have no fucking idea what that is.
I think it'd be, like I said, 15 minutes, maybe half hour at most. It's only midnight.
Yeah.
We still have a good while to go.
Yeah. That's actually really fucking cool.